This is an easy way to reduce plastic use when on the go. Finding some fabric of your choosing, I bought these at a local thrift store. They're fairly inexpensive and you can find some fun patterns for your utensil kit. For cutting the fabric, you'll want to pause the video in a second here and write down these dimensions. We then iron the pieces to make sure they are nice and smooth. This piece I'm working on is the tie, so I folded it in half, ironed, and now I'm going to fold each of the sides to the half, iron that, and lastly, folding it together and ironing that as well. Ironing the other pieces. And now sewing the tie, sewing down the seam. The utensil part of the fabric, we're going to fold down a bit, iron, and fold once more until it's about 1/2 inch or so, then sewing along that fold. So here are the 3 pieces. We're going to attach the utensil piece to the backing. For the backing, we're going to fold it in once to meet the first fabric and iron, then fold it again to create a nice border. Now we want to pin in the tie about halfway and sew the border along that fold, removing pins along the way. So let's create holders for the utensils, spacing them about 1.5 inches or so, sewing all the way down. A bonus super easy cloth napkin using 7.5 by 7.5 piece of fabric with zigzag stitching. Now our holder is complete, so we can stock it with our utensils and napkin. Roll it up, tie it, and take it along with your lunches, give it as a gift, as a way to reduce plastic use. If you make one, please let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear about it.
It's time to dive in and do something good with Myrtle the turtle, just like we should.